Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is July the 1st, and we are now continuing with harvesting our coconuts here. So they are brought into this oven where we will kind of grill them to make the copra out of the coconut flesh. So that's quite an endeavor. So all these came from our trees, which you see here. We have more than 200 coconut trees only on this premises, and half the village is working on harvesting. These are the good ones for sale. And then we go upstairs on our little oven, which we have built ourselves according to the latest century-old recipe. So here's the preparation of the coconut. So everybody is doing his job, or her job. Edika is also helping. Yeah, that's a coconut, that's a bunch. Wow, look. So later there will be a fire under this, and it will dry out the flesh, which is then called Copra. So that's all the very ancient technology, and it looks as if the people know what they are doing. So there's our little helper Edika, also doing her best to get the thing sorted out. Yeah, happy. Oh, and all the other children as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.